Okay, so hey guys, welcome to today's video. Sorry for not being uploading for you guys. Like, I've been so busy, and I'm going to talk about it later on the video. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads because a lot of you guys have been messaging me, asking me on Facebook ads, like your accounts get blocked or something like that. Your accounts get restricted, and like iOS 14 and stuff. Well, what is working at the moment and what has been working for me. So yeah, let's just get into it. So guys, in today, I've been having like kind of problem with Facebook, but like not that much. But let me tell you something: if your Facebook account get restricted, or a business manager get blocked, or like something happens that you get banned or something, if you get it back, it's not going to be the same for you. Like, one thing I found out with Facebook is not only about your product and the website and the offer anymore. It's about your ad account as well. And ad account makes a big difference, guys. Not that much big difference, but it makes a difference. Like, what ad account you use. Have this ad account on their verified business manager. Have this manager got banned before? Have you got any page disabled due to feedback score, Facebook feedback score? I have a solution to that as well. That ain't going to bother me anymore. So if you have one page disabled due to feedback score, if you get another page disabled by feedback score again, your personal account on Facebook going to be restricted. So I always recommend you guys, like, on the page admin, on the business manager admin, add couple of people. So if you get out of if your account gets restricted, so you still can access the business manager or ad account from the other person's profile that is connected to that BM. So guys, yeah, always add a couple of people, your friends, family, whoever. And like, if you're basically like your ad accounts or personal account get restricted due to feedbacks or any other reason at all, like, guys, you can get it back. You have a maybe 50-40% chance to get it back. If you get it back, it's not going to be the same because Facebook going to show your ads to less people for more money, so your account going to get shadowed, and like, that account is not worth like advertising on anymore. So I recommend you like to always have another Facebook from a family member, friends, ready to go. So if this Facebook get banned or restricted or anything this happens, you have the other one. You are like ready to go. And I had that as well, but I wasn't prepared for it because, as I told you in last video, one of my pages got disabled due to feedback score, and after that my personal account got restricted. I was like, okay, what should I do now? So I didn't have any plan, and I wasn't ready for it. I was like so like comfortable with the ROAS, and everything was going to perfect, and just feedback score hit me. But at the moment, like with I'm running another brand, but the page that I took it to 2020, I started to advertising it from yesterday again, and I got a new business manager, ad account, everything set up, and like proxy and everything. I was like, it's so complicated, but it's working perfectly. And then I've been using that, and the feedback score is not going to be a problem for me anymore because I'm going to take care of the customers. And beside that, there's other things you can do to prevent feedback score, but no more feedback score, guys. But one thing I can recommend you, like, if you can like take control of the feedback score, you can make a Facebook page with your friend's Facebook account, and you can share this page to your BM and ad account. So if in one case this page get blocked, this page owner is your friend, and your friend has shared this page with you. So if this page get blocked, it's not going to affect you or your personal account or your BM or your ad account. It's going to affect your friend, which is not advertising. So you're just going to burn him, not but this is like a short-term solution kinda, but maybe that solution can help you guys as well. But beside that, guys, if you have your account blocked or business manager blocked and you got it back, I recommend you to not advertise that on that account anymore, to find another account, another solution. But I understand that if you don't have that much a budget, that should be a problem for you. So you should be very careful with your first ad account, with your original one, with your own name, with like everything verified. You should be very careful because as soon as that get banned or something, and you don't have that much budget, like $200, $300, even $1,000, because that ain't going to cut it for you, and going to be like a cast out from Facebook for a long time. And yeah, guys, so basically for me it's like I'm doing a new brand on my friend's business manager, and at today I got my 2 ad accounts and business manager, everything, but I'm still advertising on his. But in his, the thing is, I cannot spend more than $300 a day, guys, and that's so low. And I'm getting like $3,000 back. Like I posted on my Instagram, I don't know if you guys saw it. Like I was spending like $3,000 to get back 10K or maybe more. Like I with this new brand, I have like 6 ROAS daily, and like I get like 200 visitors daily, because like that's all I can get for $200. I get like 250 visitors and like 35 purchases, and my conversion is on the roof, and this is a high ticket product as well. And I'm going to make a case study for that, but with this, the page, I'm going slow for a week now. I'm around $12,000 maybe, and I can take it to 100K easily tomorrow, because I'm getting my hands on the ad account with the unlimited spending limit, etc. So I can like scale it to the moon without any problem. But I'm waiting on that onto tomorrow, guys, so I can scale it further, and I will make a case study about it as well. But my current brand I have been showcasing for you guys. For that, I'm going to scale that soon up as well. I'm getting new ads ready and everything, creatives, UGC, user generated content and everything, guys. I'm just getting a new fresh start, because like after one of my page got banned by Facebook due to feedback score, like performance dropped, but I was like 40% profit. But as you know, I showed you in the previous video, the performance dropped dramatically because of Facebook was shadowing my account, no matter like how good my click-through rate or how good my offer or how much pixel data I have. So that thing you guys should keep in mind. I hope you guys get a value out of this. Just drop a like down below. And like leave a comment, if you have any question, you can message me on my Instagram, guys. Like it's been a lot of messages. Sorry if I like don't get it in time, but I promise you I will answer them due to 48 hours or something like that. So peace out.